Hello, Sawadika, Habari. My name is Lois Ongaki. I'm originally from Kenya. I have recently relocated back home from Thailand, where I taught students for over a decade. I am excited to connect with learners from all around the world. I teach English to young learners, teens, and adults, covering everyday English conversation, business English, academic writing, and exam preparation. For example, IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, GED, CUTEP, TOEFL Junior, and any exam of proficiency in English. I speak English fluently, a little Thai, and Swahili. I use languages to help me explain to learners in any level to understand quickly and clearly. I have over 12 years of teaching experience working with students from different countries and backgrounds. My teaching style is friendly, interactive, and highly personalized. I focus in helping students build confidence, improve pronunciation, expand vocabulary, and communicate naturally in real-life situations. In my lesson, you can expect clear step-by-step guidance, engaging conversation and practical exercises, reading and listening practice, writing support with detailed feedback, fun activities, games, real-life examples, songs, exam tips, and mock practice if you are preparing for a test. I use a mix of digital material such as presentations, worksheets, videos, and interactive tools to make learning enjoyable and effective. My goal is simple: to help you grow, improve, and speak English with confidence and clarity. I create a warm, safe, supportive learning space where mistakes are part of the journey and success is always the destination. I have a great sense of humor. We will laugh through any challenge. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to meet you in class. Let's start learning together. Thank you. Asante. Kapunka.